Ako po si Ginoong Dexter Jandakis mula sa bayan ng Peñaranda, lalawigan ng Nueva Ecija.
I'm a risk taker. I always want to push myself to something new because I want to choose bravery over fear. And lastly, I'm not out of my family because of my educational background. I graduated criminology at Universidad de Manila and now a licensed criminologist by profession. It's kinda weird, but it's happened to me. And now, I am a provider of my family. I am a product of a broken family, but not a product of a broken dream. Because it inspires me to do good things for others, be a better individual in our community, and to become the best version of myself. And more notably, I am an advocate for mental health awareness. I started my advocacy 5 years ago and created my Ako Naman Muna campaign that helps people to speak, express their feelings, problems, heartaches, trials, and hardships in life so that they can feel that they are heard and not alone, because I am also a victim of depression before. I'm representing Nueva Ecija because this is my hometown, especially of my beloved Lolo and Lola. And some of the tourist spots there are Minalungaw National Park, Pantabangan Dam, Gabaldon Falls, Philippine Carabao Center, Fort Magsaysay Military Reservation, and the Dalton Pass. That's why Nueva Ecija is called the Rice Granary of the Philippines.